it so much, so much. Good morning. I am feeling a whole lot better than I was yesterday, and I'm still kind of sick. If you can hear it, maybe you can hear it in my voice. I am dressed and ready because Amy-Lee and I are going to Buffalo for the afternoon. It is just 11:45, and we're gonna leave around 1 o'clock, and we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and Target and maybe run into the outlet mall to grab a few things. But we're really excited. We're preparing for the July 1st week, so we're getting all the good snacks that we like and good drinks that we can't get here in Canada. So we're gonna do that, and so I thought I would take you along. I got all ready, so my hair, it's really hard to tell in this light, but there is definitely pink in it, which I like. I don't mind this. Hi, Walter. Look at me. Why are you so sad? You're so cute. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Oh, good boy. I'm with Amy-Lee. Woohoo!
Shopping trip.
Shopping trip. Shopping trip. We are going on a shopping trip. And it is so freaking warm. Ouch. Well, just don't leave your lipsticks and stuff. Other than that, it should be fine.
Maybe I'll put it in this freezer bag.
Okay. We are gonna get gas, maybe some coffee, and then we are gonna blow this popsicle stand to another country. To another country we go. We're finally crossing over to America.
If this were a spy movie and there's a hostage, this is where the exchange is.
We're not doing the falls because it was too busy, so we're doing the boring crossing.
That's really pretty though.
That's pretty. There's water still. Can't really see. It feels like it took, it's dark, forever to get here, but we're gonna cross the border with our passports, and then we're gonna head over to the mall. That was literally a minute later. It took no time. I've never been across the border that fast. Have you?
No, never. Ours is never.
That was so fast. We just said we're going to the outlet mall and to Target, and he was like, okay, have a good day. Man. Oh shoot, now we gotta figure out where we're going. Okay. Woo, welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. We made it.
Huzzah!
We are here at the fashion outlet. Gonna go get some sweet tea because we're in America. That's our impression of Americans. Actually, Amy-Lee lived in America way before I did. We probably lived the same amount of time almost, yeah. But Amy-Lee lived in Texas for 2 years. And then she lived in Kansas City like a year and a half. Oh, only a year and a half. Oh.
It wasn't as long as you.
Interesting.
But I guess for the amount of times that I visited,
yeah, that's true. You could basically say she lived there for longer.
I'm basically American.
Yeah, basically. We're on a mission to get Amy-Lee this shirt. I should get one too.
I forget what size I got.
Small, I think. Medium? It's a good deal. I should get one. We're in Gap. They're having a really great sale, and I got something for Andrew and something for me, and Amy-Lee is trying to text Aaron. We're trying to get the free Wi-Fi. It's always when you don't want to spend money and you're not here to shop that you find everything. Don't you think?
Yeah, I do.
It's too good. The deals are too good. Okay, so really quickly, I got this adorable off-the-shoulder kind of top. This will look great with those high-waisted pants. I think that's so cute for summer. Some cute jewelry. It's very simple. And then at the Gap, I got Andrew these shorts for $7. He wanted the camo ones. They had a wall full of them and he wanted camo. And then I got myself this really cute tie-dye sweater shirt. And it's got from Gap, and it's got this pineapple and cut off sleeves. I thought this was really cute for like lounging around at the cottage or on our trip. And then, best of all, there is the cosmetic company, which if you, I think they have one at every like outlet. I got this, the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which has been sold out everywhere in Canada. I cannot get my hands on this, and this was $9. Hey, Emily. Emily went to Chipotle. Oh, yeah, thank you.
I'm just gonna throw this out.
Water. And then, as well, super cheap, like 10 bucks, was the Bumble & Bumble Dry Spend Finish Spray, which is like my holy grail. I love this. So we've been getting some solid deals. I've probably only spent like 60 bucks so far on everything. So it's been amazing, right? Stuff
Phenomenal.
So now I'm trying to put in the GPS to go to Trader Joe's and Target, and that'll be it. It's fun. We live so close to the New York border, so it's so easy to pop over for the day for a few hours, and why not? We are here at the motherland, the mothership. Target is calling our name. Okay. Ouch. Oh, I just shut the door on my coat, my jacket. Ugh.
I need a Starbucks.
You need a little pick-me-up?
I do. I'm tired.
Welcome home. Welcome home. No, we've never been to this one. It's nice. You can't go to Target without getting a coffee and going through the dollar section. Yeah, this lunch bag is so cute. Like, this stuff is so cute. Oh my gosh. Huh?
Velcro looks dirty.
Oh. Everything is so cute, huh? Except the bathing suits are like crazy. I really wanted to look for one. Yeah, they're all mismatched and there's no good sizes left, even though there's a ton. These are nice. So that is so cute.
Are you trying anything else?
Depends. Depends on what I see. I love it here. I miss Target so much. So much. The best section.
I'm getting so dusty.
Oh, that is so cute, Emily. That's adorable. This stuff is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love
the shop. Come on in.
This is so cute. I want everything. I know, that's so cute. We are all finished.
Very successful trip.
Very successful. Now we gotta go to Trader Joe's.
Except, we didn't have key lime. Let's try it.
No. That really stunk. I bought a picture. And we're done. Our final destination for the night. This is it?
I think so. Unless we'll find the key lime before.
We'll see. Oh, peonies for $7.99. Wow, what a great deal. I know. Even these flowers are so beautiful. I miss Trader Joe's more than anything. Yeah, let's go to the snack aisle. We're back in Canada.
The air is greener. Fresher. It is greener.
We had to stop at, they chose our car for random course they did. It's 8:11, so how long were we there for?
I don't know, we got there around 3
o'clock. So we stayed 5 hours. That was not bad. It felt like longer. It was a lot of fun. I'll do a little Target and Trader Joe's haul later for you guys because I think I got some pretty cute stuff. Can't really remember, to be honest. It's all kind of a blur. I actually think I might have a little bit of a fever right now.
You do have a fever.
Yeah, I don't feel so great. I was feeling a lot better and then I just all of a sudden was like, I don't feel good. So yeah, now we're getting to do the pretty drive home.
The sun's setting.
I'm home now. Just walked in the door and we're bringing all the stuff in. I'm gonna end this video here so I can quickly show you guys in a different video everything that I got today. Maybe I'll do that tonight, we'll see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another video. Good night.